Okay, we're gonna watch and see what happens. As we overlook the beautiful cemetery of Randolph. Well, we've got a utility truck coming down the road. And then we go back this way and get our wide load truck with a utility truck coming up behind it. So that means the house is not too far behind. But then we've got the other big truck coming. Hopefully he can pass me just fine. Oh, I see the house. There it is. It's almost home. It's trucking right along there. It's a beautiful home. Now that you can see it from all sides and nothing obstructing it, it is really a beautiful home. And before you know it, it will be your home. Okay, another utility truck coming. And we're getting ready to turn. And as soon as it makes that turn, I'm getting in the car and heading off. Taking it slow and easy, which is probably a good thing. I hear cars coming, tootling pretty fast. They're going to have to slow down, or you might have an extra thing in your house. Okay, I think I am going to get in the car.